Hello guys, it's me Ava. So today I'm going to make tadpole from origami paper. Yay! Enjoy! It looks cute and very easy to make, so you should try it.